Alright guys, we're in good old West Virginia, baby. Got my uncle's 300-acre farm we got. As you can see around here, we got nice fence line into some thickets down to the left. We got a nice corn feeder up about 50 yards away from us, and we know there's got to be tons of coyotes traveling these roads. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a nice couple dirt holes right here. My buddy Jared.
How we doing?
So
live action coyote trapping, brought to you live.
Yes, sir.
Dry Ridge, West Virginia.
Oh yeah.
We'll put us a dirt hole in right here. We got a nice road, and right here to the left of us, we got a transition where the road it's not mowed beside us. It opens back up into some thicker stuff. And right here, you know they travel this at the wood line right here. We actually was calling out here a couple weeks ago, and call one in right here that we couldn't connect on. So we'll pound a couple dirt holes in last month of season and see if we can get it done.
Yeah. So yeah, this year we haven't really we've done decent with a snare. Got a nice one right over my hill, about pushing 45-pound. Nice one, came right through. So basically what we're trying to do now is do some foot traps, try to see if we can get anything moving on them. So we'll show you a little bit of instructions and show you how to get started on it if you want to try it.
All right, what we got here, we got a dirt hole right back into the bank. Trying to make this real messy here. Don't have a whole lot of eye appeal. So you know they travel this road, but it'd be nice to have something they can see coming down through here, give them some eye appeal. So I'm just kicking everything behind me here, making it real down and dirty set. Got a bunch of roots in here, get all them out of the trap bed. Don't want any of that junk in there. Anything can feed a trap from fire. We don't want that. So I don't always doing this messy, but like I said, we'll give these dudes something to look at coming down this fence line.
What kind of traps are we setting, Dunn?
Now this right here, back when I first started trapping, got an old bridge right here. Got it modified a little bit, night lashed. Got a earth anchor retrieval system on it. I got a 4-cord here. Hold these coyotes, you got a 4-cord. Don't let anybody tell you different. I'm normally a Minnesota man, but like I said, you gotta put everything out you got in your shed. So I'm gonna use these right here. All right, got a nice trap bed dug, a couple inches down. Big dirt hole here. Like I said, messy. Give them some eye appeal on this. I'm going to show you the secret right here. What keeps the trap from freezing long is wax dirt. We make this here. I better put my trap in first. Got an earth anchor system. These are God's gift of trapping right there. They better than carrying a pile of rebar around. Dirt down in there. It's got a good bottom in my bed here. All right, now wax dirt. This right here, this is what keeps you trapped when the weather gets nasty. You melt some wax into it, and it will actually keep it from freezing. So this trap right here, it's going to work next week when it gets cold and freezes up. Here's the #1 thing right there: solid trap beds, guys. Solid trap beds. If they're not solid, you're going to catch coons. If they're solid, that's when you catch your predators. Coyote comes walking in here. He steps around. See how it's got a little bit of movement right there. Get the camera close. Yeah, the trap's moving. That's no good. You don't want that coyote to think anything different other than he's stepping on some dry ground. So.
A funny story about that is we have a couple more traps set out at my other uncle's place, and had a couple of snares and foot traps. And what we're thinking is, with that trap being loose, that he can't came in there and he dug underneath it, and he got right underneath that pan where he just smelled it and got spooked, and so we didn't get him this year. So hopefully we'll go back out, reset that, and maybe even try to get him again. But basically what we're going to try to do, maybe, I don't know, I haven't really asked Dunn if we should maybe reset that somewhere else, because we don't know if that coyote's now wary of where we set that trap. So I don't know if that's going to be a good spot again, but we'll double check and see, and we'll get back with you on that.
Now this is right here. I'm gonna blend this in a little bit, so I'm hoping to get one before it refreezes. But normally, anything you set back on a trap bed is not like that this time of year. Has the ability to freeze, so you just kind of play the weather. I mean, this might sit for a while, might get crusted up if we get some snow on it and stuff. But right there, that's a finished set. So we're gonna bait this thing up. And over here, this was good enough for one trap. It's good enough for two. So we'll catch you next time.
Yep.
I got this dirt hole we just put in. Got to bait it up using some Dunlap lures, location predator bait. I'm no professional coyote trapper. I don't know it works great yet, but get you a nice hunk of it, get it down in there. We're gonna use the canine force ball lure here. This time of year, you know, it's warm. I mean, it could be 0 tomorrow, but it's warm right now. So I mean, the skunky call lures and stuff, I mean, I use them, but they're not necessary this time of year. A little bit of canine force call here, or lure, dab that on the back of the hole. I stick that down in there, and I'll stick that Q-tip in the side of the hole. That way it's sticking in the middle there. You can look down in there and see it. And that way when a coyote gets lurking around here, he can see what's in there. Also take a little bunch of grass or leaves or something, make a nice little tight ball out of it. Just throw it down in there. Yeah, that's a little bit bigger dirt hole, so we might put a little bit more in there, but you don't want to deter them. But this is made to look like an animal buried something here. You take a little shot of fox pea on the backing there, and there you go. That's a finished set. On this pea post back here, put a little shot of pea on it, and that's it. Off to the next one.